I'm going to share what I know truthfully, even if it's highly controversial.
A catastrophic tsunami rising out of the Pacific. Its huge waves sweeping away everything in its path.
Chile, the powerful 8.2 earthquake that's hit the area, and it is called the Ring of Fire.
So HAARP would be this ultra-secret climate-controlling weapon supposedly belonging to the U.S. Army.
The incredible achievements and inventions of humanity are the direct result of its ingenious, yet sometimes ruthless intellect. To explore the boundless potential of this intelligence, the human mind has soared to incredible heights of knowledge and understanding. However, this ascent has also led it into the shadows, where it has engaged in devious pursuits. In its relentless pursuit of progress and expansion, it has woven intricate webs of deceit, sown chaos, wreaked havoc, manipulated truths, distorted reality for personal gain, supported oppressive regimes, and even been complicit in heinous crimes. But these dark and sinister manifestations of human intelligence have not reached their limit. Today, they have given birth to a weapon of unimaginable power, capable of triggering earthquakes at will. What motivates the creation of such a colossal device? Join us as we uncover the world's most formidable weapon, a creation so staggering that it challenges belief. On June 12, 2023, at the prestigious National Press Club in Washington, D.C., Dr. Stephen M. Greer, a well-known figure in the realm of UFO or UAP research and the founder of the Disclosure Project, presented compelling evidence that brought to light covert and unauthorized black budget projects associated with UFO or UAP operations. In this recent revelation, Dr. Greer shared the findings of his extensive investigations into these classified programs. Additionally, he was joined by 6 brave whistleblowers, individuals possessing insider knowledge who were courageous enough to step forward and reveal vital information regarding these clandestine operations. One particularly striking revelation came from Eric Hecker, a former contractor with Raytheon Technologies Corporation and Lockheed Martin. Hecker's extraordinary experiences included spending a year at the South Pole, affording him an unparalleled access to advanced technology and, even more significantly, startling insights. His testimony unveiled the existence of a secret space program being conducted right in Antarctica. Hecker, a tradesman and firefighter, has an exceptional story that unfolds at the frigid South Pole Station. He uncovered some intriguing technology hidden beneath the icy surface, the Ice Cube neutrino detector. This isn't your typical gadget. It possesses more hidden capabilities than initially meets the eye. In 2010, he had the unique opportunity to spend an entire year at the Chile South Pole Station in Antarctica, courtesy of Raytheon Polar Services and the National Science Foundation. But what makes this detector so remarkable? Well, it's equipped with something called digital optical modules, or DOMs, which are nestled deep within the ice, a staggering total of 5,160 of them. Each of these DOMs has the capability to emit powerful signals at a voltage of 2,047 volts. Now here's where it takes an intriguing turn. This neutrino detector isn't just passively observing particles. It seems to possess some hidden talents. Hecker suggests that it might serve a purpose beyond scientific experimentation. It could potentially function as a form of energy weapon or highly advanced communication hub. Think of it as an enormous radio tower encased in ice, capable of transmitting signals not only to objects within our immediate cosmic vicinity, but also to destinations beyond our solar system. Yes, that includes the tantalizing possibility of communicating with extraterrestrial civilizations. Hecker even had a conversation with the renowned Dr. Michael Salla about this astonishing discovery. During their discussion, he revealed some mind-blowing insights, like how each of these DOMs could potentially function as the most powerful radio transmitter in the world. These revelations led him to contemplate some of the futuristic ideas advocated by Dr. Greer, which involve concepts like faster-than-light spacecraft and advanced laser technology. Hecker suggests that the Ice Cube project might be leaning towards something known as quantum communication, a method that enables exceptionally fast and highly secure information transfer, all thanks to the fascinating world of quantum physics. But here's the remarkable part. Hacker isn't just proposing wild theories without evidence. He possesses tangible documents and data to support his claims. He's not seeking to create a mere sensation. His mission is to unveil the reality that lies beneath the ice. He has personally witnessed it and is determined to ensure that the world becomes aware of the astonishing developments taking place in this hidden location. And there's more to Hacker's astonishing revelations. He delved into the topic of an earthquake-generating device and an ELF, extremely low-frequency system. He recounted an unusual incident during his time at the station between 2010 and 2011. It happened when they activated the ice cube neutrino detector. Instead of merely detecting tiny particles, this activation caused the ground to shake as if it were experiencing an earthquake. It's perplexing how a machine designed for particle detection could induce such seismic-like tremors. Hacker also unveiled a startling fact about the station hosting an ELF system. Initially dismissed as something as useful as a malfunctioning toaster, Hacker, with his inquisitive engineering mind, decided to investigate further. To his surprise, this system wasn't just sitting there collecting dust, it was fully operational and functional. He didn't just stop at revealing these astonishing discoveries. He took it a step further by suggesting that the ELF system, along with some other enigmatic devices, might be engaged in some clandestine activities. According to Hacker, the South Pole Station stands at the forefront of faster-than-light communication. These intriguing claims are reinforced by the findings of Gary McKinnon, a hacker who stumbled upon a NASA secret, the existence of an off-world fleet of spacecraft. If we indeed have ships navigating the universe at mind-boggling speeds, the need for equally rapid communication becomes apparent. The South Pole Station in this narrative takes on the role of a critical hub in these super-speedy interstellar conversations, serving as a vital link in the interstellar communications network and possibly providing secondary long-range communications and power supply. Hacker's accounts of his time at the South Pole Station read like an exhilarating sci-fi novel. He even asserted that he had witnessed a mesmerizing green laser piercing through the Antarctic night. Its purpose remained a mystery, with speculations ranging from it being a long-distance communication device to a shield against unknown cosmic forces. Furthermore, he hinted that the station's energy supply exceeded public knowledge, leaving room for speculation about a concealed nuclear power plant or an enigmatic top-secret energy source. However, is it actually possible to create something capable of generating earthquakes? Well, this is where the realm of conspiracy theories comes into play. There's a rather enigmatic program called HARP, not to be confused with a musical instrument, but rather something shrouded in mystery. Some individuals firmly believe that the devastating Japan earthquake and tsunami in March 2011, which tragically claimed over 18,000 lives, was somehow connected to this HARP project. So what exactly is HARP? It's not a clandestine government agency, it's purported to be a high-tech program. HARP allegedly delves into manipulating the very Earth itself. This project employs immensely potent electromagnetic waves to tamper with our planet, and in doing so, it is said to have the capacity to trigger colossal earthquakes. But Japan isn't the sole location where people suspect HARP's involvement. The massive Chilean earthquake and tsunami of February 2010, which led to over 500 deaths, also stirred suspicions. Furthermore, a catastrophic landslide in the Philippines in 2006, resulting in the tragic loss of more than 1,000 lives, has been linked to HARP in some accounts. What's truly astonishing is that these aren't just idle speculations circulating on the internet. Even prominent world leaders have embraced these conspiracy narratives. For instance, Mahmoud Ahmadinejad, who served as Iran's president at the time, asserted that HARP was responsible for floods in Pakistan. He even claimed that European nations were diverting rain clouds away from Iran, causing water shortages. In the wake of a massive earthquake that shook both Turkey and Syria, conspiracy theorists once again pointed fingers at HARP. However, the real puzzle remains. No one adequately explains how a few antennas in the United States could purportedly trigger earthquakes thousands of kilometers away. According to these conspiracy theorists, the American government is concealing all the intriguing details and constructing a shroud of secrecy around HAARP's activities. But how does HAARP really operate? HAARP sends powerful radio waves high up into the ionosphere, a layer located more than 60 kilometers above the Earth's surface. These waves have the effect of heating up the electrons in the ionosphere, essentially turning the sky into a giant science experiment. But what's the purpose of this? Well, scientists are conducting this experiment to observe what happens next. When the electrons become excited, they generate disturbances known as perturbations, and scientists are interested in studying these disturbances to enhance our communication and navigation systems. Now, the history of HAARP is as fascinating as its experiments. It was initiated under the control of the US Air Force and Navy, running from 1990 to 2014. However, in 2015, control of HAARP was transferred to the University of Alaska Fairbanks. Despite this change, conspiracy theories continue to attribute various dubious activities to HAARP. Nonetheless, scientists associated with HAARP have consistently stated that its radio waves are incapable of affecting the weather we experience down here on Earth's surface. Weather phenomena occur in lower layers known as the troposphere and stratosphere, which are situated far below the altitude reached by HAARP's radio waves. So, if even solar storms from the sun can't influence our weather, HAARP certainly cannot either. But there's a curious twist to this tale. While HAARP may not be behind earthquakes or weather manipulation, it doesn't mean that such phenomena are entirely impossible. After all, our world is filled with enigmas. One theory from a professor suggests that the notion of HAARP being a secret weapon might have arisen because it was initially used for communication with submarines via radio waves. However, with the end of the Cold War, this communication purpose became obsolete. Some individuals then turned this into a peculiar idea involving mind control and earthquake machines. It's a reminder that people can sometimes believe in quite unusual things. It's crucial to note that the scientific community has consistently stated that HAARP lacked the capability to induce natural disasters, manipulate minds, or engage in communication with extraterrestrial beings. The scientific consensus firmly supports the idea that HAARP was a legitimate research program with genuine scientific objectives. Its research contributions have expanded our understanding of the ionosphere, which carries significance for various scientific and technological domains, including communication, navigation, and space weather. What are your thoughts on this matter? Feel free to share your opinions in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, remember to hit that subscribe button for more content like this. Thanks for watching.